All right, guys. So we just got done with the snow blowing. This is kind of the aftermath of the storm. It's not too bad, a lot of snow. We probably got about 2 feet. Roughly about 2 feet, maybe a bit more. I think some areas got like around 3. We're supposed to get a lot more these next 2 days. So we'll see how that ends up being. You can see the mounds are getting huge. But overall, not too bad. It's been a nice winter storm right before my birthday. So that's been nice. Like I said, I've been kind of enjoyed it here. I get a good focus. There we go. You can see the lake is completely frozen over. Really pretty out here, though. Like I said, we're going to be getting a lot more snow tonight and tomorrow. Good birthday present. I like it. I don't mind having a snowstorm every year before my birthday. So yeah, that's it, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. I know it's been a second since I uploaded a video. Just been busy. I got hurt, believe it or not. I hit the ground really hard and it kind of put me out for a while. That wasn't nice. I didn't see a patch of ice and hit the concrete hard, hit the back of my head. Wasn't the best feeling in the world, but it happened. And I got some cramps or something on now. They hurt my feet. I got to get like actual snow boots. These are like nice cold, like these cold ones are great for what they are. But for a lot of this heavy blizzard stuff, especially at night, definitely not the best. Definitely not the safest. So, but yeah, we're gonna get ready for another snow hit this night and then the next day, and that's all happening right before my birthday. And I wouldn't mind another snowstorm after my birthday, so I'm kind of hoping for that. The snow doesn't bother me, like at all. You can see here, this mound is massive. It's all my chest right here. I know it's kind of hard to tell on here, but it is. Guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay safe, stay warm, and you know, I'm gonna try not to slip and die, Ryan. I know you were hoping for some stuff, but I was able to make it back okay, and I'm back out here. So hopefully we'll get some more snow streams in the evening, especially as this storm continues to go. So but yeah, happy birthday to me. Can't wait for another snowstorm, and I'll talk to you guys later.